from Granny's Soul Food. Let's do a smaller piece. Let's just mix it all up like I used to do when I was a kid, and see how that comes out to be. So for eggs, any way you want them. Of course, mine is scrambled. 2 pieces of toast, a fried piece of catfish, cheese grits, and 3 pancakes for $17. I don't think it's a bad deal. I don't think it's a bad deal at all. All right. Cheese grits with some eggs. Catfish. Okay. I gotta put this plate down for a minute so I can hold my sandwich. So I have strawberry jam toast, a piece of catfish, my cheese grits, and eggs. I'm gonna fold this in half, and we're gonna try this sandwich that I done concocted. I don't know how I don't want to eat it. Let's see. Oh. It's like a scrambler in a sandwich. Anybody else used to always combine all their food as a kid? Fries on your hamburger, chips on your sandwich. Now I got grits, eggs, and catfish on toast. Fire, if you ask me. In the words of Tabitha Brown, ooh God, I thank you.